Do you know what really hurts? When the small creators don't even get one view. You see, when all the other small creators, like me, I've been doing this for my whole life, and none of you guys, not even a single person, sees my videos. I'm the only one who tries to make our best. All the other small creators do it, but I try everything I could to make it this far. We took our whole entire lives. All the other big creators did that, and they became famous. And us, we did all of this just so nobody cannot come and watch our videos. Because all it takes for us is just one view. We feel happy. We feel joy spread in our hearts. But no, nobody likes our videos. Nobody subscribes. Everybody just hates us small creators. And if you guys don't know, all the small creators are with everybody. They care for everybody. They don't try to hate their favorite YouTubers when they started off. And some people, these small creators, we encourage them. We encourage them. So please, don't let other creators feel like their whole entire bodies are not in the life. They try their best. So please, if you see this video, just like and subscribe and let other small creators know you saw their videos. Bye.